We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hualien's Jian Township was originally tribal ground. During the Japanese era, a village for Japanese immigrants was established there. When they left, Hakka took over the place. As the Hakka on the East Coast were isolated and far from other Hakka immigrants, they guarded their traditions and customs carefully. A traditional Hakka culture is a strong feature of the area, encouraged by the township head, with public works and cultural activities having a high profile in the local scene. The surrounding area is rich farmland, and most Hakka work in agriculture but preserve the Hakka respect for learning. Hello everyone, it's Joseph Lin right here for a Hakka lesson of the day, and here is...
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng.
Hey Alice, you know the temperature is cooling down now. 现在天气越来越冷了，然后现在巴豆腰啊，
肚子摇。
I'm very hungry, and so I'm thinking about hot pot because that is a very fine delicacy in Taiwan. 麻辣火锅很好吃，那除非你是吃素，要不然的话有很多肉可以选，对不对？There's a lot of meats you can choose from. So let's teach people, how to say these type of meats.
好啊，那我们今天就来教肉类的东西，有猪肉、牛肉、鸡肉、
羊肉，好多牛。Nuke 的意思就是 meat 肉咯。Okay. I think I can understand that, but let's say it in English. Beef is 牛肉。
牛肉。
Okay, this is probably the most difficult one to do because it sounds the same, but it's not. 不是牛哦，是牛肉。Okay, how about pork? 猪肉。Okay, 猪肉。这对会讲中文的人应该蛮简单的，因为一样。好，再来 chicken 鸡肉。鸡肉。Okay, and finally, some people don't like to eat lamb, but it's also a good thing to eat. Lamb 就是羊肉。羊肉。Okay. 所以其实牛、鸡、猪、羊国语蛮像的哈。牛，然后猪，要有一点二声的感觉。羊，and then 鸡，给。这跟台语比较像啦，给啊。So we go eat some hot pot someday? 改天去吃个麻辣火锅好不好？ Okay. All right, thank you. And that's our Hakka lesson of the day.
是我大家张来了。
I'm Joseph Lin, 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.